Hello my wonderful people, welcome back again to our channels Commenters Analyzer TV. Today tori one will carry corner about this Korra and her husband issue of divorce. My people, I be not believe and say not true until I enter their Instagram. I can see the write-up. Una know now say this our channel is all about comment. We will read wetin e husband write, and we will also paste some put for the screen so that if una dey watch and now see wetin we read. Also we will also go through comment, because this our channel is all about comment. I be not believe am, but had it dey somehow. Maybe I don't know whether they prank us, or because the man I see that day when Korra dey labor not be man when we all take decision like this. I believe say na prank. Anyway, we still dey here, we still dey watch more, see as e go take end. The write-up when the man drop, he say only you can make the decision for what your word is, and that will determine how you allow people to treat you. So my people, you say okay. Our first commenter can say, yeah, wetin he write before we talk wetin our commenters talk. Wetin he writes, yes, not only you when they pass through stress, and not only you when wear shoe. Me I talk am for our grandma. Not only you wear shoe, now you know where for they pay you. Now you will say, no, this shoe when I wear, so it don't too pay me, I won't remove my leg. But anyway, if anything happen, for our opinion, then would they talk? If anything happen, you know, say Korra just put to bed. Korra just put to bed. She may be stressed. She may get depression. I could remember that time when I newborn, lot of stress and everything. I go just sit down, I go just dey cry for no reason, because I believe say na stress. But to see me today, now so it dey be. Now stress, it can be depression. Not be depression say she dey pass through pain. No, now because of stress when she passed through for labor. Everybody see her when Korra dey labor. It was not easy. Normally no labor dey easy, but that day some people they get this labor, you know, they hard like that. So anything where Korra they do or gasa, if you dey hear my little grandma when they speak, you have to take it easy with her, because she na long stress she go do, so not be easy thing. And Korra too, you will still try, make you relax. You need rest now, not be video not be everything. Right now you need rest. Doing video not be even bad thing. Like dancing, like yesterday I saw you on live video dancing. You not supposed for now to dey dance. Your body need to heal. Your body need to heal. Baby come out from there. So you're not supposed to dey dance right now, my beautiful sister. And everybody knows say you love dancing. Dancing dey part of you. You dey part of dancing, or dancing dey part of you. English people take the speak, I don't know. So you need to relax. Yes, maybe all those things they cause issue. A man, reasonable man, as a daughter, your husband and daughter, you no go like her. You just put to bed. The next how many days you don't get up the dance. No, you need to relax. First day okay first. We know say you be strong woman, but you have to be okay first before you come out to the dance. So my people, before we go our commenters waiting they drop, please my amazing people, if you know say you never subscribe to this channel, please guys don't forget to subscribe. Do me a favor, that your one subscriber, it go carry me go long places. I beg guys, subscribe for your sister. Subscribe for me, support somebody's mom to grow this channel, my amazing people. God bless you. So our first commenter say, we do not approve that divorce. We do not approve that divorce. So e no go work. Amen. May not work, may not work, may not work. So our next commenter comes make her it really did disturb me what to do now. So our next commenter can say, please, no matter what it is, you and Korra can see a social worker, counseling to work things out. And our next one can say, this is not the right time at all. Whatever the case may be, I am sure it can be work out. I pray may work out. You know, say Oyibo, one thing about Oyibo when I know to the bad way, if they don't say no, their issue it get as it be. You know, be like our people when they will say no, when beg and beg and beg all those things. So one go see get sense, so it know the value of their children. They go say okay, let's forget. If we both say no, it dey hard small, but I just pray say na plank na these people dey say no be real divorce. I just pray say na joke as in let's do this prank. Let's see what our viewers will do. Let's see what our viewers will say. I just hope say na waiting Korra and her husband they try to do that. They pull our legs to see wetin we will talk. This one can never be a real divorce because she just put to bed. She need all the love right now from you. When she need all the love from you. So right now not be to divorce. That will not be the right things at all. That will not be right thing to do. Divorce not be the right thing to do. My people, no mind me. Na tiredness. So our next commenter can say, Nigeria, please, you guys should sleep. I beg. God go do one. You know, say our Nigeria people, our maths, So the next commenter say, maybe Korra is having depression. Please strike together and work things out. And our next commenter can say, please guys, please sir, she is having depression at times. She will shout at you, not appreciate the things you do for her. It is just a stage. It will pass. Forgive my sister. I beg the Africa people is asking for forgiveness. So forgiveness on her behalf. Please bear with her. You both are good together. This is an international prayer, sir. To err is human, to forgive is divine. So our next commenter can say, please, we love your family, do not break it. Yes, so we love your family, we love una unity.